The beauty of Joseon Ginseng cleansing oil is a gentle yet powerful oil cleanser that effectively removes makeup, sunscreen, and impurities, leaving your skin clean and nourished. In this video, we'll be sharing how to use this cleansing oil properly, take a deeper dive into its key ingredients, and discuss some important do's and don'ts. The beauty of Joseon Ginseng. Cleansing oil is formulated with a blend of traditional Korean herbal ingredients and glycine soja oil as a base for its lightweight yet potent cleansing properties, effectively removing dirt, sebum, and makeup residue. Here are the key ingredients in the cleansing oil. First, we have 0.1% ginseng seed oil. Known for its anti-aging and antioxidant properties, ginseng seed oil helps to nourish and revitalize the skin while improving elasticity. Next, we have 50% soybean oil. This is a skin-friendly oil extracted from glycine soja, consisting of oleic acid, linoleic acid, and linolenic acid. It gently dissolves dirt and impurities without clogging the skin pores, and at the same time acts as a conditioning agent to smooth the skin, leaving the skin feeling hydrated after cleansing. These ingredients work together to provide a thorough cleanse while keeping the skin hydrated and protected from environmental damage. The cleansing oil also is made up of micellar cleansing technology. Micellar is a particle composed of water and oil. When it comes into contact with the skin, the oil molecules attract and absorb dirt, impurities, and makeup residues like a magnet, while supplying moisture deep inside the skin. Let's now jump into how to use the cleansing oil into your skincare routine. This cleanser should be used as a first cleanse and followed by a second cleanser like a gel, milk, or foam. Start by applying 1 to 2 pumps of the cleansing oil directly onto dry skin. Gently massage the oil into your skin using circular motions. Focus on areas where you have makeup or sunscreen like the forehead, nose, and chin. This helps to break down impurities and cleanse your pores. Wet your hands with lukewarm water and continue massaging your face. The oil will emulsify into a milky texture, which helps to lift away dirt and makeup. Rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water until the oil is completely washed away. Follow up with a water-based cleanser after rinsing off the oil to ensure a deep clean. Finish your skincare routine with your other skin care products. Here are some important do's and don'ts to keep in mind when using the beauty of Joseon Ginseng cleansing oil. Firstly, do use it as the first step in your cleansing routine and apply to dry skin. Next, do massage gently to ensure that the oil breaks down impurities and makeup without irritating the skin. And do follow with a second cleanser to ensure all oil residue and impurities are removed. When it comes to the don'ts, don't apply to wet skin. Always apply the cleansing oil to dry skin for maximum effectiveness. Don't skip rinsing thoroughly. Make sure you rinse off the emulsified oil completely to avoid clogged pores. Don't overuse. 2 pumps are enough to cleanse your entire face, neck, and chest area, so don't use too much product. The beauty of Joseon Ginseng. Cleansing oil is an excellent addition to your skincare routine, offering a thorough cleanse while nourishing and hydrating the skin. By incorporating it into your daily routine and following the proper do's and don'ts, you can achieve a clean, refreshed, and radiant complexion. If you want to learn more about some of our favorite Korean skincare products, check out this video here next.